What is Handyman Services? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're answering a common question. What is Handyman Services? Handyman Services cover a wide range of small home repairs and maintenance tasks. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, painting a wall, or assembling furniture, a handyman can help with almost any household job. Handymen are skilled professionals who can handle minor plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, and more. They provide a convenient and cost-effective solution for those tasks that are too small for a contractor but too complex to handle on your own. By hiring a handyman, you save time and ensure the job is done right the first time. They bring the tools, experience, and expertise needed to tackle your to-do list efficiently. So, if you need help with home repairs or maintenance, consider hiring a handyman. It's the easiest way to keep your home in tip-top shape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home improvement tips and tricks.